In the era of smart homes and digital assistants, cleanliness needn't be a cumbersome chore anymore. Welcome to the world of robot vacuums, where dirt has no place to hide. These clever devices are transforming the way we maintain our homes, offering convenience and efficiency at every turn. With their sophisticated sensors and impressive suction power, they're not just cleaning our floors, they're revolutionizing our lifestyles. So watch the full video and check the description for more details. Number 1 is AIRROBO P20 Robot Vacuum. The AIRROBO P20 boasts an impressive 2800p suction power, ensuring it effectively picks up debris, pet hair, and dirt on all surfaces. This results in a visibly cleaner floor and a more thorough cleaning experience. With a super slim body measuring just 3 inches, the P20 can effortlessly navigate under sofas, beds, and other low furniture, reaching areas that are often challenging for traditional vacuums. The floating scraper strip design enhances adaptability to different floor types. It excels at deep cleaning fine dust and tile gaps, providing a comprehensive and meticulous cleaning performance. The gyroscope navigation system enables efficient zigzag cleaning paths, setting it apart from random path robot vacuums. This, coupled with highly sensitive sensors, prevents collisions and ensures the safety of your furniture and walls. The AIRROBO app allows easy setup of cleaning schedules, adjustment of cleaning modes, suction levels, and cleaning direction. The added convenience of a separate remote control ensures flexible control options. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes in quiet mode, the P20 covers a substantial area on a single charge. The auto recharge feature ensures that it docks itself for charging when the battery is low or after completing the cleaning task. Number 2 is Roborock Q5 Pro Plus Robot Vacuum. One of the standout features of the Q5 Pro Plus is its innovative self-emptying system, paired with a generous 2.5-liter dust bag. This ensures uninterrupted cleaning for up to 7 weeks, minimizing the need for frequent maintenance. It excels at both vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. Its detachable design accommodates a 770 ml dustbin and a 180 ml water tank, making it versatile enough to handle various cleaning tasks without interruptions. Boasting a robust 5500p hyperforce suction and dual rubber brushes, this is well equipped to tackle stubborn dirt and pet hair. The efficiency of this dynamic combination ensures consistently clean floors with every pass. With precise and slider navigation, the Q5 Pro Plus accurately navigates and maps your space. The quick mapping, 3D mapping, and multi-level mapping capabilities contribute to creating optimal cleaning routes for enhanced efficiency. Number 3 is ZCWA, a robot vacuum cleaner. This robot vacuum cleaner combines both vacuuming and mopping features, offering a comprehensive solution to keep your home clean and tidy. The mapping technology ensures efficient and systematic cleaning. With options for Smart Tuya app control, voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, and a remote control, this robot vacuum provides versatile control options to suit your preferences and convenience. The robot vacuum offers 4 intelligent cleaning modes: spot cleaning, automatic cleaning, edge cleaning, and zigzag planning cleaning. This adaptability allows it to handle different environments and cleaning needs effectively. Equipped with anti-drop sensors and an infrared buffer anti-collision board, this robot vacuum intelligently identifies and avoids obstacles, preventing collisions and falls. The Boost Intellect technology adjusts suction power for efficient cleaning. Powered by a 2500 mAh lithium battery, the robot vacuum provides an extended runtime of up to 100 minutes on a single charge. This ensures thorough cleaning coverage, and the auto recharge feature adds to its convenience. Number 4 is Ilife V5S Plus Robot Vacuum. It efficiently tackles dust, debris, and pet hair, providing a versatile cleaning solution for different floor types. Whether you prefer the convenience of a remote control or the flexibility of the Ilife Home app, the V5S Plus offers both options. Real-time cleaning route monitoring, scheduling, and suction power adjustment can be easily managed through the app. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, the V5S Plus responds to voice commands for starting or stopping cleaning tasks. This integration adds an extra layer of convenience to your cleaning routine. With 5 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, Max, and scheduling, the V5S Plus provides a tailored approach to various cleaning needs. This flexibility ensures a professional and customized cleaning experience. Fueled by a 2600 mAh battery, the V5S Plus boasts an extended 110-minute runtime on a single charge. When the battery is low or after completing a cleaning session, it automatically returns to the charging base, ensuring it's always ready for the next task. Number 5 is Laresar Robot Vacuum. With a hurricane-like suction power of 4,500 PA, the Laresar Robot Vacuum excels at picking up debris and dust, ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning process. The Japanese-made motor contributes to high cleaning efficiency. The Laresar Robot Vacuum goes beyond vacuuming by incorporating mop and sweep functions. It's a versatile, all-in-one solution that simplifies cleaning tasks, making it a comprehensive choice for maintaining a clean home. The robot cleaner offers 4 cleaning modes: zigzag cleaning, auto, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, and random cleaning. This adaptability allows you to customize the cleaning program based on room situations for optimal results. The robot vacuum recognizes carpets intelligently and adjusts suction power accordingly while cleaning. This ensures effective cleaning on different surfaces and prevents damage to delicate carpets. With a slim profile of just 3 inches, the Laresar Robot Vacuum effortlessly navigates under furniture and reaches tight spaces. This design feature enhances its agility, allowing it to clean effectively in areas that might be challenging for traditional vacuums. The large 3,200 mAh battery provides an impressive 180-minute continuous runtime, ensuring that all cleaning tasks are completed smoothly. When the battery is low or after completing the cleaning session, the robot vacuum automatically returns to the charging base for recharging. The Laresar Robot Vacuum supports various control methods, including button control, a mop control, a mobile smart app, and compatibility with voice control through Alexa and Google Home. This versatility ensures that users can choose the most convenient method for their preferences.